Hello and welcome to the Perl course, and in this section we are going to see real world Perl projects. And one of the project that we should work is that building a log parser tool with Perl. Suppose here we have some logs written like this way, that whenever you run application you will see some kind of error, log files where we have error, disk space low on server, some backup completed, memory, right? These kind of errors. So if we need to parse the log, we have to write one log parser. And here I have created one file, which is, you can see, we have to define log. And once you do log.txt, so before going to see the code, let's write and let's run it and then we'll see. So I'll say real world app WORLD. Okay, let me just rename this. So I'll say real world. Yeah. So now let's do here cd real world app, and here we'll write Perl space log parser.pl. As soon as you will run it, it will give you prompt log parser tool, and here we have to do show all logs, show error log, show warning log, show info log, search log by keywords, and exit. So first we will do one, that is show all logs, and it will print the all the logs which is available in this log file. And then still it will ask you that if you want to see all the errors only, then we have to perform filter. It will show only error one. If we wanted to see only warnings, it will print warning. If you want to see only info, just press option 4, it will give you info. And if you want to search something like by key, let's press 5, it will ask you to keyword, so I'll say backup and then click enter. So keyword backup is found here, and then exit. So if you press 6, it will exit. So how we have created this thing, let's go over it. So we have here while loop, and this is the main loop. In while loop we have first option is choice. If choice is 1, display logs. If choice is 2, display logs with error. So method is same, just we are passing different inputs. So if we will go to the menu first, in menu we are just giving these options, that these all are print statement, and here we have chomp choice and returning it. Now in display logs we have this method where we are taking input, and from input we are taking filter. After that we are just resetting the file pointer to the start, and here we have just opened the file and trying to check line by line. So in this case we are checking and seeing here filter should not be empty, and then we are saying that line is equal to the filter that we are passing, then print that line and go over while loop. We have already opened the file while log. So file is already opened, just we have performed the show log. For the search logs, we just need to provide the keyword. Based on the keyword, we are just checking line by line if it is matching, and case making it case insensitive. You can see here. If found, then we can say found and print it, but it will go in loop. So it's quite simple program, but useful to perform the log search related stuff. Just go over it and try to recreate in your system, and if you face any issue, just let me know, we can try to fix it. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one.